when you are taking two or more resistance in parallel combination, let me tell you, parallel in the sense, this is a international resistance symbol R1 and this is a R2, this is a R3. Whenever I am taking these three resistors of all combination of the first end of this resistance is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and then the other end of the combination of the resistors is connected to the negative terminal of the battery combinedly. Then this combination of connection we call it as parallel combination. In this, whatever the voltage supplied by the battery is, VA is here, VB is here, potential at the positive is VA, potential at the negative terminal VB. The same potential at this junction you are having VA, and at this junction you are having VB. It is same. Means potential across these three resistors is same. Potential difference across parallel combination of resistors. Parallel combination of resistors is same. But whatever the battery supplied by the current is I across the three resistors. I is a current like in a water. Okay, when from the water tank water is supplying through one pipe, whenever it is connected to the three pipes, it will be divided. Okay, it will be divided into three ways. This is I in the sense across R1 I1, across R2 I2, across R3 I3. These all will be rejoined here again. Then it will be the total current I, it will come back to the negative terminal. So now voltage supplied by the battery across all the resistances remains same or constant in parallel combination. But here most important thing is that current supplied by the battery, current supplied by the source of EMF, by the source or by the battery is equal to that is I equal to sum of the individual currents across the each resistor, that is I1 plus I2 plus I3, right? As in previous case, the voltage across each resistor according to the Ohm's law, if you are taking that, what we have taken Ohm's law, V equal to I into R, right? I equal to V by R. So I1 equal to V by R1. Voltage is constant. So I2 equal to V by R2. I3 equal to V by R3. That we know. So these values, if I'll put up in this, then I equal to, since I equal to the total current is supplied by the battery across the circuit, V by R, total voltage, by total resistance combination is parallel, and I1 V by R1, I2 V by R2 plus I3 V by R3. If I'll take up common the V, since V is constant, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So V get cancelled. I have parallel combination 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the resistance in the parallel combination. Actually, this is 1 by Rp only. I need to have parallel combination, equivalent resistance in parallel, in the sense I should write Rp. Rp equal to, I should take the LCM of these values. Whenever I'll take the LCM and I'll reciprocate, and R1, R2, R3 by, I can write up is R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3 R1. This is a total reciprocal equivalent resistance in parallel combination value. Most of the people will confuse 1 by Rp, they'll do up to here, they'll leave it here. But this is a reciprocal resistance. If I'll use n number of resistance, if n number of resistance, if I'll use, if n number of resistance, if I am using n number of resistance, 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus and so on 1 by Rn we will write. This is in whenever we are using n number of resistance. We have one more important thing. If you are using n number of resistance are identical. Identical in the sense, I'll write like this. Look at here. I'm erasing for our convenient. If n number of identical resistance, if I'm using, if n identical, so identical in the sense R1 equal to R2 equal to and so on R, all are same value, then I can write Rp equal to R by n. I can write off because number of resistance how many we have, which we have used, and depends on the resistance combination, we will get Rp equal to R by n, gives the n identical resistance when we are using. For example, parallel combination always we need to use to minimize its resistance. Okay, for example, you can understand one important point is here, as I said, whatever the number of resistance which you are using in a parallel combination, okay, the equivalent resistance which you are getting the Rp value, always it is lesser resistance than the least value of the combination. For example, this is 5 ohms, this is 3 ohms, this is 2 ohms. Whatever the answer you will get, below the 2 ohms you will get. You may get answer 1.5 or 1 ohm, like that you will get. Means the equivalent resistance in parallel combination is lesser than the least value of the resistor which you have used in the combination. This is a parallel combination in the parallel combination of the resistors. To minimize the resistance in the circuit purpose we will use. Okay.